Welcome to the Gonto Plug. I am Jose. Shelly's inside relaxing. Currently I was doing my floors, but I needed my oscillating tool to cut a little bit of the door jamb so I can slip the plank underneath. And guess what? I came to the trailer to get my oscillating tool because of a project I did over here in the spice rack. I have the charger, I have the oscillating tool, but I could not find my battery. I looked all over the place. Usually where this is at or where the charger's at is where the battery's at. It's not there. I looked everywhere. I tore this camper apart. I got a little frustrated. I had to come back and clean the camper up, and I was like, well, if I clean it, I'll probably find it. Nope. Hopefully I didn't throw it away. I decided to get the Black & Decker Matrix. Now, right now I have the oscillating tool. This has multiple pieces to it. Right now I got the oscillating tool on there. Case. Black & Decker Matrix, it's called. Comes with a sanding attachment. It comes with the regular drill. See, all I gotta do is snap it on, and it's a regular drill. The router attachment. Now I'm not sure exactly why I would need this, but I think it's good to have. It has something to do with wood, I guess. It comes with an impact driver attachment. Jigsaw attachment. This is going to come in handy when I'm using the planks and I have to cut out an odd shape, because I'm not good at scorching and breaking it, so I'm going to have to use this. And each one comes with its own little manual, so you can, it looks thick, but it's a few pages of English, a few pages of other languages. It tells you how to use it and what to do and how to attach it and all that good stuff. This is the project I'm working on, guys. Wish me luck. I did start this the other day, but I got frustrated trying to do my template. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a template, a drawing around here, a pen mark, and I'm going to cut a hole right here on my slide while it's in, so I'm not out in the elements because it's raining. And I'm going to stick a 12 by 18 window. 12 by 18. I wanted to get like an 8 by 12. I just wanted a real small one just to get some air through, and then you might be able to sneak a peek outside. But this is the smallest one I can find. And I'm going to put it right. This is where my template is. Right there. So when you're sitting down, all you got to do is turn your head, and you can see who's on the side of your RV, or the side of your RV, and you can open it up. Actually, it would be on like this side. You can open it up, and then you have your screen, and you can have some circulation. So wish me luck. It's gonna go right there. This is the piece that goes inside, and then you screw it in. And they don't give you a template. I wish they would give you a template, but these are like replacement windows, so if your window breaks, you get the same size and you can replace it. But I'm going to cut a hole in then, but you got to make sure that your hole is correctly placed. Got a Sharpie, I got it taped. I know where the hole needs to go. It needs to be right at this edge here, which I'm going to Now what you do is you cut it out, and then you put this in the template to see if it works, if it fits nicely. Last time I did it, it's over there, it was for some reason I made it a half an inch too wide on the length, and I'm glad I checked it out. So if you're not confident in your Measure, I think they say measure twice, cut once. It just goes in there nicely. Something's not right. So, oh, it's nice right here, but right here I cut it too small. So I gotta take a little bit off of here. Nicely. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Nicely. Yeah, I think I did it. Look at it, don't even fall out. See that? It don't even fall out of the cardboard, which is a good sign. Alright, so that's how big my hole's gotta be. Let me make sure. Oh, alright, that was it. Take this off. There it goes. Now I'm ready to, well, I'm not ready to cut yet. I'm going to put the sofa down. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck.
Precious drop. With cookies beside me, it feels just right. Christmas love filled with delight, candy canes and glazed rolls in sight. Warmth in the air, love's aroma runs deep. Mornings are magic in memories we keep. With every sip, our spirits will soar. Christmas coffee, it's my song. A cup for you, a cup for me, we can't go wrong. I drink my Christmas coffee all cozy and bright.
Alright.
Beside me, it Drink my Christmas coffee, all cozy and bright, with cookies beside me. It feels just right. So here's to the brews that make our hearts glow. With each little moment, our love only grows. En la carretera, juntos seguimos con fe. Con un tráiler nuevo, por el mundo vamos a ver. Shelly y José, valentía en nuestro interior. Cada victoria nos llena de amor y calor. Juntos en cada paso, no hay nada que temer. Súbete al gozo, ven y síguenos hoy. Cada ruta es un cuento, cada lucha es un hoy. El cielo es el límite, nuestra meta es soñar. El mundo nos espera, vamos a brillar.
Nice. Sit right here, get some cool breeze. I catch a breeze right now, it's nice. That's how it looks close up. Let the window open now, it's the screen. It looks like a typical RV window. Nice. So I'm sitting here, got the window, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So that means we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows in here in this 20-foot, 21-foot trailer. Let's see how it looks on the outside. That's how it looks from the outside. I like it. It looks like it belongs there. Nice. Very, very nice. And then that's how the side looks without it. Just need to, I want to put some clear silicone right here. Clear all the way around. All the way around. I might go and buy that tomorrow. Oh, look at that view. So I got that nice view. So if somebody's in front of our campsite, I can see them. And I get that nice cool breeze. Nice. So yeah, and it's open right now. Let's see if I can close it. And that's when it's closed. Now you're gonna have to make sure this is closed when it's raining, because if it's raining and it's coming out this way, it's gonna come through here and make everything wet. And then your carpet's gonna be wet, and you don't want that to happen. So you gotta make sure these are closed when you're out. Cool. So yeah, I like it. Look at that view in there. All you gotta do is sit, watch some TV. TV's in the front of you. You turn around and go, who the hell is that? So, alright, and then of course there's gonna be one on that side too. So it's gonna have a nice cross ventilation. I'm not gonna put a valance on there, but I am gonna put a shade so I can put the shade down. But if somebody sleeps here, they can block the light in the morning. or just have privacy if they're laying there. So I am going to buy, that thing is 12 foot, I'll measure it now, by 18. So if I look in the RV site, I can probably find one that size, screw it in and then go down. As long as it's clean, you know what I'm saying? Because you can buy one that's a clean look. As long as it's all black or whatever, I think I'll be okay. And there's room underneath between the cushion and the wall. There's room, so it's not going to be crimped up right there. So I'll put it right there, right underneath the cabinet, and then I have a nice shade. And I'll do the same thing over here. All right, it's time for me to go and relax a little bit. If you have any comments, comment down below. I'll try to answer it as much as I can. So, alright, so without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.